Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. A few days ago I made a gluten-free Shin Ramen recipe and I'm going to make that again, but I'm going to make it, instead of using water, I am going to be using milk. So it is like a milk base, it's creamy, and I'm just going to get that all together here right now. To make this ramen, again, it's going to be a milk base. And then I have my gluten-free Shin Ramen blend, and I'll list all of the ingredients in the description below. Typically I use a spoon like this, and I'll do like a heaping spoon and kind of guesstimate. So make your sauce at your own discretion based on how you like certain things flavored. If you like a little more of something or not, do that. I typically don't necessarily measure, I just kind of put together and let my ancestors guide me. Soup, I'm also going to add onion, I have a jalapeno pepper and some garlic, and then just like little cocktail weenies. And then I already made my last little brick of gluten-free ramen here. So I'm gonna put that together and I will show you what that looks like. To our saucepan, I'm just going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. And then to this, we're going to add our onion, peppers, garlic, I'm just going to saute this really well together. Kind of cook down the garlic and the onions a little bit. This is cooked down for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to add about 10 ounces of milk. I'm going to turn this back to a high because we want this to boil. Typically this is made using the Shin Ramen noodle pack. Because I eat gluten-free, I'm not using that. I just made my own. Again, it's going to be in the description below exactly how I made this season blend. Because I use a gluten-free soy sauce, and the one in the packet, for one, the noodles are not gluten-free. And then the seasoning pack is not either. So I just added that, and I'm just going to let it kind of boil down until it gets a little creamy. While the mixture comes to a boil, I'm going to make a pickle. That's typically what is served with a lot of Korean cooking. And I'm just going to take like a kosher pickle. I've made this before, and it's just Korean pepper flakes, sugar, garlic powder, and chicken bouillon. I just use like 3 packs of this. I think it's equivalent to like 1 pickle each. You just kind of massage everything in really well, and then that's it. It's kind of like a quick Korean pickle. And the official name of it, they do have an official name for something like this, and I will list everything in the description below. Yeah, I'm all out of kimchi, but these are so tasty. So good.
So good, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. All right, there's our side. That's gonna accompany our ramen. To my bowl, I'm just going to add my noodles because it's gluten-free. I don't need to cook them further because I cook them separate. And before throwing everything over the noodles, I'm going to add a slice of American cheese. Wow, this looks really interesting and tasty, and I cannot wait to try it. All right, there is my other version of Shin Ramen. If you can have Shin Ramen and you don't have an issue with gluten, then I suggest you make this. It's really simple for you because all you would have to do is pour the packet right into everything else that I did. But if you have to have gluten-free like I do, I will put the recipe for my version of the Shin Ramen sauce that you can make into a regular ramen, or you can try it in this version. I haven't tried it yet. This will be the first time that I'm trying it. And I also made a quick, I took pickles and made it into this. And I'll have the recipe for this below as well. So thanks for watching this vlog today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video, and I will catch you in the next one. I've been on a roll making daily vlogs, and I hope to continue to do so. I almost did not film today, but I really wanted something easy, and I had everything to make this, and so it was really simple to put together. Honestly, it probably took as long as boiling the noodles because you can make everything at once and it's done in under 10 minutes. Mixing this took less than a minute. Thank you for being here and have a great day. All right, I'm going to give this a try. See what we're dealing with here. I think the way it was described, it was like a pasta. This is super creamy. It's really interesting. It has the Shin Ramen taste, but it is like super creamy. I'm gonna try a bite with the pickle. This combined with this, it is so tasty. I love Korean cuisine. Something about their mix of flavors, it just works. I think you can just do this with cucumbers if you don't want pickles per se. But this is a really good combination. It's different, but it's really tasty. So if you want to try something new, if you want to try ramen in a whole new way, I suggest you give this a try. So I'm going to finish my dinner. Again, thank you for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will check you tomorrow. Bye.